So the technique is called 555. It's very simple. Little work is required, but it's very simple. What do you have to do? Get a diary, nice simple diary. Take a fresh diary, okay? Don't write on any piece of paper. First, have complete clarity. As you know, I always talk about clarity. Have complete clarity. What are you looking for? What do you want? So once you have complete clarity of what do you want, make an affirmation out of it. That means, say I want X amount by X date. So say I want 10 lakh rupees by 30th of September. So say I have 10 lakh rupees by 30th of September. Whatever you want, replace that want with have. Okay, simple. So say you want to lose 5 kilograms. Say I have lost 5 kilograms by 30th September. Say you want to mend your relationship. Say I have already got very beautiful relationship with my husband or my wife. So depending on what are you looking for. Okay, now what do you have to do? You have to start on day 1. The technique is you have to do 555. Okay, how do you have to do? You start with day 1. Write down your affirmations 55 times on day 1. So simple example can be, I'm already making 10 lakh rupees a month. I have already lost 10 kilograms. I'm already living in my own house. Depending on what are you looking for. Now the question is, can you take more than one affirmation? No. In this assignment, only one affirmation at a time. Okay. So you write down that one affirmation 55 times on day 1. After that, close the book and keep. Now next day, again come back and write down 55 times same affirmation. Same affirmation, you have to write 55 times. Now, third day also you have to do it, fourth day and 5 days. You have to do it only for 5 days. Now, what do you have to do while you're writing? While you're writing, visualize yourself driving that car. Visualize yourself having that money. Visualize yourself wearing those clothes when you lost 10 kilograms of weight. Visualize yourself staying in that house. Visualize yourself. And don't let any doubts come in. If the doubts come, say cancel, and simply again start writing. And write for 55 times. You may get a question saying that, can I write this in parts? Honestly, you can, but you should not. I wouldn't do that because I would like to give a focus energy to you. You are saying that I want this. I really want this. So I would write 55 times in one go. So I'll summarize the complete technique for you again, one more time. First, clarify. Or have clarity. What are you looking for? You're looking for whatever you are looking for. Say I want. Then convert that want into have. So I want to lose weight. I want to make money. I want to have a job. So I have lost my weight. I have job. I have got money. Or I have got relationship. It can be anything. Once you have the affirmation ready, make it a little shorter so that 55 times likhne mein taklif nahi hogi. Make it a shorter length. And then take a diary, nice beautiful diary, fresh diary, take a pen and start writing. Write on day 1, 55 times. Day 2, another 55 times. Day 3, 55 times. Day 4, 55 times. And day 5, 55 times. While you are writing, visualize yourself having that, whatever it is. Visualize yourself having that, experiencing it, living it. Have a big smile on your face and let it work. And my universe will listen to you and it will give you the task. So now I'll tell you one more thing, that one good news I'm going to share with you, which is that I am creating a journal combined with the book. A book which will have this technique very well explained in detail. And below that book, there will be a journal. That means 55 rows are already created for you for 5 days. You just have to take a print of it and write. That book is about to come. The link is in the chat window. The link is in the description. Please click on that link. It is available for a very small amount. Simply buy and start your journey.